Welcome to the Oligo News. In a recent legal development, the Supreme Court of India has criticized the Assam government for its approach in a case involving the transportation of beef. The apex court emphasized that the state should prioritize more pressing issues rather than pursuing individuals involved in such matters. The case centers around an individual accused of transporting packaged raw meat, suspected to be beef, within Assam. The state's counsel informed the court that the meat sample had been sent to a forensic laboratory for testing after the driver of the vehicle was unable to specify the nature of the cargo. A bench comprising Justices A.S. Oka and Ujjal Bhuyan expressed skepticism over the state's actions. Justice Oka remarked, "The state should have better things to do than running after these people." The court questioned the practicality of expecting individuals to identify the type of meat without expert knowledge, noting that it's challenging to distinguish between different meats by visual inspection alone. The defense argued that the accused was merely a warehouse owner responsible for transporting packaged meat, without knowledge of its specific content. The court referred to Section 8 of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act, which prohibits the sale of beef without authorization. However, for prosecution under this section, it must be established that the accused had prior knowledge that the meat in question was beef. The Supreme Court has stayed the criminal proceedings against the accused and scheduled the next hearing for April 16, 2025. This pause allows for a more thorough examination of the case, ensuring that due process is followed and that the rights of the individual are upheld. This case highlights the ongoing debates surrounding cattle preservation laws and their enforcement in India. It raises questions about the balance between cultural sensitivities, individual rights, and the allocation of state resources. The Supreme Court's intervention suggests a need for a more nuanced approach, focusing on significant issues rather than minor infractions. The Supreme Court's reprimand serves as a reminder for state authorities to prioritize their efforts on matters of greater public importance. As the case progresses, it will be crucial to observe how legal interpretations of the Assam Cattle Preservation Act are applied and the implications this holds for similar cases in the future. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story. For English news, you can also visit our news website www.theoligo.com. Thank you for your valuable time.